We fear the cost of your steel fences is too high, full stop, although we have bought them each season for the past 6 years, we think we shall lose business because we have to charge too much for them, full stop. New paragraph. In this city we must sell at low rates if we are to make a success of our business, full stop. Owing to this fact, we have to emphasize the necessity of reducing as much as possible the costs to our customers, full stop. Can you suggest something which will assist us, question mark?